We are going to simplify x to the power a divide x to the power b to the power a square plus b square plus ab. So first we have to simplify this one. We know a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n. So this one very easily we can write x to the power a minus b. We also know a to the power m to the power n. It means a to the power m n. So same thing here is times a square plus b square plus ab. Same thing in here, we can write here is a x to the power b divide x to the power c to the power b square plus c square plus bc. So same thing, x to the power b minus c times b square plus c square plus bc times. Same thing again regarding this one, we can write here is x to the power c divide x to the power a. So here is a x to the power c minus a and times c square plus a square plus ca. We know a theory, which one is a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So here is just that thing. Against this one, we can write x to the power a cube minus b cube times, same thing here is also x to the power b cube minus c cube times, here is also x to the power c cube minus a cube. Now here base are same, x, x, x. We know once base are same, that time in product a to the power m times a to the power n, it will be a to the power m plus n. So here all the exponent will be add. It means x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So this case, what can we do? It's a very simple thing. Just here is a cube and here is minus a cube. Minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube. So it will be x to the power 0. We know a to the power 0 or any kinds of thing power 0 become 1. Very simple and very important question this one. Any kinds of competitive examination, you should face these kinds of problem. I hope it will help you. Please subscribe my channel Math Jeep. From this channel you will get lots of things for exam practice. No more today. Thank you very much for staying with me.